So what kind of foundations are recommended?
Well, a concrete slab is the best. Keep it level. You want a container home or any modified container to stay level so the doors and windows close and open correctly. They don't get jammed. None of the caulking cracks. It's like maintaining a house. You want it to be level. So concrete foundation is the most expensive, but it's the best. It'll last the longest. You can do piers. We suggest one at every corner and then one in the middle of the container for extra support. If it's a temporary structure, we've seen people do things like use railroad ties, which is the wooden boards or whatever you call it on train tracks. You can do a gravel pad as long as it's level. We've used things like diamond piers, which are a low-cost pier solution. Really good if you're going to be around a tree's critical root zone. So yeah, there's a lot of different foundations you can do.